Hello friends, today's topic mid and small cap stocks are the most favorites of retail investors. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Due to the rally in mid and small cap stocks in the last 1 to 2 years, retail investors are holding more of mid and small cap stocks in their portfolios. As per a report by NSE, the share of Nifty 50 companies in the portfolio of individual investors has fallen to a 22-year low of 36.8%. The fund flows from investors in mutual funds has contributed to the additional rally in these stocks. Nifty 50 index has gone up by 122% the last 5 years compared to 250 to 350% for mid-cap and small-cap indices. Ownership in Nifty 50 companies. Number 1, Indian promoters 29.3%, 2, government 7.1%, 3, foreign promoters 6.2%, 4, domestic mutual funds 11.1%, 5, banks, insurance and financial institutions 8.1%, 6, FIIs 24.5%, 7, individual investors 8%, 8, others 5.7%. So the retail investors, either directly or through mutual funds, have somewhat neglected large cap stocks, especially Nifty 50 index, and have pumped in lot of money in mid cap and small cap companies to increase their stake. Due to this, the valuation of various stocks has also changed. Large cap stocks are more reasonably valued compared to mid and small cap stocks due to the limited rally in large cap stocks compared to smaller stocks. Also, in the total institutional holding in the stock market, around 60% is held in Nifty companies. This is the lowest level since March 2001. You can see the retail institutional investors have favored these smaller companies in the last 2 years. This is the main reason for the dull performance of most of the blue chip companies. Usually, when good stocks are neglected or unpopular due to their poor recent performance, that is the time they start the rally, and by the time most retail investors realize that these stocks are worth considering, the majority of the appreciation in that particular rally would have already been earned. The similar thing happened in mid and small caps too. It's a cycle where at certain times large cap are favorites in the market and at other times mid and small cap stocks favorites. Observe this in the next cycle when large cap will become more favored due to their lower valuation. Although some mid and small cap stocks are worth investing in, most of the stocks under the mid and small cap stocks rally during a bull run and make it difficult to differentiate between the good and the bad companies. Only after the bull run has ended then the investors will get to know which are the slightly better companies in the market. End of the video, here is the question. Have you also increased your holding in mid and small cap stocks in the last 1 to 2 years? You may type yes or no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.